What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing two super easy and delicious meal prep recipes that I have been loving lately since I've been back in the gym. These meals have made it really easy for me to keep up with my protein intake, and they are super good. So if you're interested and you want to learn, just keep on watching. Now, the cooking portion of this video is mainly lunch and dinner, but I like to start every day with some kombucha for breakfast and also a glass of water. I'm not really big on breakfast, so most days I'll eat a protein yogurt and some granola. This has 15 grams of protein. I get it at Aldi's. It's vanilla flavor and it's really, really good. Another option for breakfast would be a protein shake. The ones by Core Power are my absolute favorite. Occasionally, I will eat some sausage and some bacon. I do eat bacon, pork bacon, okay? I'm not eating turkey bacon until I see a turkey pig. And also some eggs. First up, we have our salmon Caesar protein pasta salad. This is a spin on the viral TikTok pasta, of course, just with added salmon. So we're gonna season our fish with black pepper, garlic and onion powder, paprika, and I also used some Tony's on accident. I definitely meant to grab Slap Your Mama. I don't know what I was thinking, but it turned out good anyway. Once you season up your piece of salmon, you're gonna cut it into little portions, add some olive oil to a skillet, and of course, just go ahead and cook that. Now, I know y'all probably think I'm crazy, but honey and lemon is like the secret to the best tasting salmon ever. And do y'all see how beautiful this looks? Like, it just looks so delicious and golden. So now that that's done, we're gonna start working on our pasta. I have the Barilla Protein Penne. It's 100% plant-based protein. There's about 10 grams of protein in every serving size, which is about 1/4 of a cup. So I boiled this until it was my liking, which is definitely al dente. I cut up some organic romaine lettuce. I'm gonna add some cucumbers. Also gonna add some red onion to my Caesar salad, and I'm using the Olive Garden Caesar dressing, the best, and some Parmesan cheese. You're just gonna go ahead and cut up all of your vegetables and get your salad assembled. So the way I like to do it is just add my lettuce to the bowl, then the dressing, and kind of coat the lettuce with the dressing. So it's not an overkill of dressing. I don't like when salads are just really wet and just that's all you can taste. Like, I want to taste the other stuff. So I just add my toppings, some black pepper, add in your pasta. I did add a little bit more dressing for the noodles just because I didn't want it to be dry. Added in a couple croutons, my Parmesan cheese, and then top with your salmon, and you are all done. Y'all, this is bomb. Okay, I'm definitely a salad girl, and this tastes amazing. Please try if you love a salmon Caesar. All right, y'all, for this next recipe, the lemon rosemary chicken thighs and the roasted potatoes are gonna be the star of the show. I'm starting with some garlic infused olive oil. Gonna cover your chicken with that. Some garlic powder, onion powder, mixed garlic, paprika, cracked pepper, and also some fresh chopped rosemary, okay? Freshly chopped, not the jar, fresh. Once you mix all of that together, you're gonna let it marinate. Truth be told, I did mine overnight, but you can do it for about an hour and you'll be just fine. So while that's marinating, we're gonna work on our potatoes. Get you some russet potatoes. Those are the best potatoes for this recipe. You're gonna go ahead and prepare to peel them. I just got a grocery bag so I don't make a big old mess everywhere. Once your potatoes are peeled, you're just going to chop them up into small bite-sized pieces. You don't want to do it too small because after you boil them, it might get too soft and it might just fall apart. So try to do like medium-sized little bites. After you cut all of your potatoes, you're going to put them into an ice bath for 10 minutes. And child, I'm not going to lie. I do not know why we do this step. But they did it on TikTok, so baby, I did it, okay? And the recipe came out fire, so just do it. And once you take the potatoes out of the ice bath, you're gonna boil them only until they are fork tender. This is to break down the outer layer of the potato so they get even crispier when you put them in the oven. While your potatoes boil, you can get your pan all ready. You're gonna need some ghee. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but you're gonna need that. It's basically clarified butter. You're gonna take your pan that you're using for your potatoes and spread that all over and place it in the oven by itself for 10 minutes. The point is just to get everything all hot and ready, so once you put the potatoes on there, they're getting nice and crispy. And now we're back to the potatoes. We've drained our water. They're nice and soft. You basically are going to shake them around until they look a little rough around the edges like this. And once they look like that, you can start adding your seasoning. So I'm using some pepper, some chopped rosemary. Of course, rosemary on potatoes is just chef's kiss. Y'all, go get this from Walmart. I found this at Walmart. It is amazing on these potatoes, okay? And I also put some garlic powder and onion powder. After your pan is fully heated up for 10 minutes, you're going to remove it from the oven. Y'all see that? I know y'all seen that sizzle, okay? That's what you want it to do. You're going to evenly spread all of your potatoes and place it back into the oven for about an hour at 400 degrees. And now we're back to our chicken. You're going to go ahead and pan sear the chicken on both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then this is going to go in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. Don't you just love when your chicken come out looking like this? Like the top is all golden brown. It just looks so good. I also went ahead and added a couple slices of lemon, not just for garnish, but also for flavor. And I also put a little bit of chicken broth at the bottom of the pan before I put it in the oven. After an hour, this is what your potatoes should look like. Super crispy, crunchy, and delicious, you guys. I love adding a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. They are perfect. 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend. And the last part of this meal is my asparagus. It's really easy. It takes like 5 minutes. I add a small amount of butter and also olive oil to a pan. I'm gonna dump in my asparagus. I do like to cut my asparagus stalks in half just to make it easier when I eat. Seasoning with, of course, garlic and onion powder, cracked black pepper, and I love to use lemon juice on my asparagus as well. I also did add in some minced garlic. I love onion. I love all the funky foods, y'all. And just saute this for a couple minutes and you are done. This is the last meal, y'all. Super tasty and super filling. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more and I will see y'all next time. Bye.